So this is an update for, I think it's been about 2 weeks on the bloom nutrient cycle from General Hydroponics. I did a 2-week cycle on the vegetation nutrients, um, mixed about a tablespoon per gallon, and came out and basically rinsed the roots every other day or so. And I did that for 2 weeks on the growth cycle, and now this is the flowering cycle. I've been about 2 weeks on that for the same work, and this is the result. So overall, the vegetative growth on the inside of the plant itself is still very strong. This is now in October, and there's still new growth down towards the ground. And if you pan out here, the vegetation is just so thick. I've been clipping leaves like this, as I mentioned before. So if it's at the end of the stalk, I'll pull it off like that, and that gets the stalk that grows at the nearest intersection to accelerate. And if there's not already one there, then one will sprout up. So I've been coming out and doing that religiously for the past couple of weeks, and by last count, there's about 200 tomatoes on there. If I'm looking now, if I had to take a guess, I'm probably looking at another 40 or 50 flowers. We're heading towards the end of the season, so I'm trying to juice these remaining tomatoes as much as possible to see if I can get them to all turn ripe before first frost hits and the plant dies. But yeah, this is the 2-week cycle on the General Hydroponics bloom nutrients. Thanks.